Many users struggle with entering their credit card numbers when sites don't format them in a specific way. Not paying attention to this design pattern can lead to errors and potential checkout abandonments. Let's explore how simple credit card number auto-formatting can dramatically reduce user frustration and boost your checkout completion rates. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 594 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings, auto-format spaces in the credit card number. During our testing, we saw users struggle in two key ways when entering their credit card numbers. First, when typing their number into the payment form fields, and second, when trying to verify that the long string of digits they entered was correct. If users don't notice an error while typing, it often leads to card validation failures, and that can cause unnecessary checkout abandonments. The more difficult it is for users to check what they've typed, like it was for this user on Marks & Spencer, the less likely they are to spot mistakes, which only increases the chance of errors. Not only will users have a harder time transferring and ultimately verifying the 15 to 16-digit number that makes up their credit card number when the number is presented in one unbroken string of digits, but users who try to enter the spaces within the number, as seen on their physical card, will find that they cannot include them in their credit card number, even if they do try to. It's essential to keep the information users are entering as close as possible to what they see on their actual credit card. Sites should auto-format spaces as soon as the card type is detected. Auto-formatting is most helpful when it happens immediately after the card type is recognized, rather than waiting until the user leaves the field. This user was easily able to enter and then verify her credit card number as the site auto-formatted spaces, reflecting the way users would be able to see it on their card. Breaking the number into shorter groups of 4 to 5 digits reduces the mental load on users as they enter and check their information. At Adidas, spaces are entered after every fourth digit for a Visa card, making it easy for users to check their input as they type. However, it's important to note that different credit card types have their own formatting rules. This means the space formatting has to change depending on the card type detected. If a site doesn't provide auto-formatting in the card number field, it's critical to allow users to manually type spaces. This can prevent unnecessary checkout abandonments. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your payment flow, including over 120 checkout guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.